Hello and welcome to the channel. We've got a little tight job to do. It's only 10-15 square, but unfortunately can't get a few of the cars moved to facilitate a bit bigger of a site, so we're going to have to do it a bit of the awkward way. So maybe this will make a good video for everyone to see. So yeah, this is a defect. I'm going to have to move that to sign a bit more. Bear with me 1 second. I think we're going to squidge in there. Oh, try not to lose my camera. I'd be amazed if you could hear this from the cab. Good, eh? If you, yeah, well, we should creep the other side of that. Hopefully you did. Hopefully you heard all that from the. Shut the GoPro. You heard all that from the cab. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of an awkward job. This one is just because of site layout and unfortunately the vehicles to the other side. But we'll endeavour to give it a go, eh? Yeah. Because it's obviously just a straight run, we're going to get 40mm here, and yeah, it should be probably just two rips. Two rips in all honesty, but fortunately because we can't get the truck for the planings, the horizonings, any closer than this, the other side, I'll have to brake, sweep, and then move all that and then load it up on this side. You'll see in the video, load it up with this side and then move over with it. So yeah, we'll see. Got a bit aggressive there. It is HRA, it's absolutely bullet. It's ridiculous, to be fair with you. Let's knock it back a bit. Let's get on to 40 mil. Yeah, well, hopefully we'll miss that sign. We'll soon see if I knock it over. Fingers crossed, but yeah, we should. I've got a bit more wiggle room on the left hand side to get it in. And I'm hoping, listening to this footage back, that the DJI marks have come into their own. So they usually would have the radio on, but I'm not going to put it on to distract from this video. There you go, just inside the, yeah, just missing that traffic management sign. We'll just line up with our previous cut and then we can go again, move it over a bit, we'll go and that'll probably be that for this cut patch. I might be able to get all this in the sweeper bucket. There's about 15-16 square. So obviously the crews are up the top, you might be able to see them in the distance. They're tarmacking that up. I'm going to creep the other side of the sign. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm going to just zero the planer so that's out of the way in case I need to put it down. I'm going to move her down out of the way, tilt her up a bit, just so I get a bit more visibility for the sweeping bit. I'm going to turn the cruise control off, put my water on for my brush, and yeah, if this Arctic's going to make this turn, we'll soon see. Yep, it does. So yeah, I just moved the planer out of the way just so I can see when I'm stopping the edges. You know, that's the traditional point, but I just prefer it out of the way, and yeah, it's just ease, and we can just, you know, see where we're going, where we've been, and you know, it allows us to make sure we get them nice edges crisp and clean. I'm just going to get another sweep of that. I may have to put another load in. No, we might. my cut down there, the greatest. So what we'll do, we'll try and get a bit more, we'll give it a bit of a wiggle, and use the tab out a bit, see how much more space we got. No, we're pretty full. I obviously carried some in from the other way, so I'm gonna slew round, load it in the truck, and then we'll definitely know we've got enough. Turn the reverse drive, not reverse drive, that's the backhoe thing, is it? Yeah, reverse steer. Try to get most of the loose stuff out, and then we'll slew round again in this bank side, and then we can get it again. See, once you'll hear when I turn the reverse steer mode the opposite way, obviously this beeping goes off. So we've got the water working quite well. It has rained most of this week, so the water hasn't been needed that much. I'm just going to get close to that side and try and pick up that last bit of debris. Then we can go around that side. There we go. And that is that patch done for the cutting and the cleaning. Now we just got to do the cropping element. HRA is going to get a nice clean cut edge. I've got a full tank of water on, so you have to compensate for that, for the water. It's always different when you've got, half water or a lot less water, with a lot less compensating for it. Brings a new challenge to the operating arena. So yeah, hopefully, I don't think I've put, is my microphone on? I don't know. Hello? Hopefully my microphone's still, yeah. So yeah, it brings a new challenge to the operating. I always like to make sure it's a nice, clean cut. I'm not too happy with that one on the left hand side. Take a bit more out. There you go, take a bit more out of that one, that's fine. And then we're just going to, you can obviously fully cut, but I like to just help the breaker out and just overcut. So you're overcutting one side and undercutting the other side. I think I bet my microphone isn't working. If it is, then brilliant, we've got some great audio. If it's not, then oh damn. See what I'm on about, where you're going fully cutting in. Yeah, there's a lot of you're having to a lot of breakout force. So yeah, we won't try and go full. We won't go too much braking element wise. Tarmac teams will follow in a minute. It's a lot harder to brake this HRA than standard asphalt. It's a bit of a pain, to be honest with you, because it's just that hard. some bits break off really easy, and you think, oh, you know, is the rest of the patch going to come like this? And sometimes it doesn't. You usually can hear the tone when it's broke. Well, we can do it. It's say I shouldn't have put so much water in the. I didn't know how much. I thought we were on a lot bigger patches, so that's why I brimmed the water tank. Take out there, and then this patch we can move on to the other edge. Get the I would not like to be in, oh, is it 1 degree outside and having to use this as well. I'll turn it off while he's doing his thing. We don't want to be turning him deaf or anything. He's not really that interested, is he? There we go. We'll make sure this is broken out nice and gently, right? And then, yeah, we can sweep it up. On to the one at the back now. Maybe if I had turned on my microphone. Oh, yeah, my microphone is working. Oh, so you have been hearing audio. Okay, fair enough. I'm used to this, new to this setup, so hearing that tone change. The breaker probably, you could do a bit of a sharpen, to be fair. I'll bring my grinder tomorrow and run that down it. But see, you're not in the implement where you're not getting any of them hand-on vibration. You're not getting any vibration. Me just sat here, it is, you know, just pure me in the machine, and I'm not feeling any of that vibration. And I can literally go all day and not need a break or a rest or swap over duties with my, my colleague. There you go. There's a note change of it gone through. Yeah, you're not needed to change over because of hand-on vibration or whole body vibration. I'm literally pressing 2 rockers and got the heat seat on, got the nice aircon, usually playing a bit of music, and yeah, it's the easier life than sitting on a breaker all day or a stilly. Just it's a bit harder. I'm not too chuffed with that. I always think you know, if you can make your life easier, and then it's easier for the if you can make life easier for the tarmackers, you know, they're going to appreciate a hell of a lot more. So that's why I always try and just do that extra bit where I think, oh, that might be a bit high. You know, I have raked in the past, so you know what they're kind of after or wanting, and it's not fair, you know, they're having to rake tarmac that isn't just where they want it to be. You don't want to do a full patch and then realise, oh, you know, I've got a bit that I wished they'd broke out or done a bit that I need to not too chuff with. There's a bit there that I'm not happy with, so I'll just go and there you go, that'll do. We'll sweep that up and we can move on to the next patch. I'll put this in the tip out while it's here. I'll tell you what, we'll pick up that a little bit. Never like leaving debris as well. Think of motorcyclists, so yeah. I'll pick up that little bit there and flew round and see where the next job is. I've left float on that as well. Maybe that's probably why it was so chumpy, because I've got float on the thing left on SRS. Rookie mistake, but we'll leave that in the edit, and then hopefully that'll show that it's all, yeah. I think there's another patch further down to get on. So yeah, we'll see where we've got to go next. So yeah, thanks for watching, and that was a what was that? To do 15 square. So a square, you know. Square a minute, it's not bad, is it, when you think I've took my time because I've been nattering away, and then you've got the, you know, your cutting element, your cropping element, your sweeping element, so it's, you know, it's all pretty well for 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll do a sped up one, and we'll do it faster. Thanks for watching.